Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today we're gonna present you our project of modulation techniques which we have prepared for the subject signal network and system. I am very grateful that for this project we were having Najib Ghate sir as our guide. So okay guys, without any further delay, let's move to our project. In this video we will explore some key modulation techniques used in digital communication. In today's world, communication systems rely heavily on the transmission of data and modulation plays a crucial role in this process. But what exactly is modulation? Modulation is essentially the technique of modifying a carrier signal so that it can carry information over long distance more effectively. Okay guys, do you understand? Modulation is essentially the technique of modifying a carrier signal so that it can carry information over long distances more effectively. And now this gives rise to different modulation techniques which we will focus today: amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying and phase shift keying, ASK, FSK and PSK. You guys might be wondering that what is ASK, FSK and PSK. So relax, the further part will be covered by my friend Shubham Mundada.
Thank you, Yash, for giving me a chance to present my part of the project. In this project, exactly meaning of ASK, FSK, PSK. ये ASK, FSK, PSK होता क्या है? In ASK stands for amplitude shifting key. ASK मतलब ASK is a modulation technique where the amplitude of the carrier signal is varied according to the data signal. In ASK, the amplitude is the parameter of the carrier signal is varied. The signal representation of ASK is high amplitude represents its binary 1, मतलब ज़्यादा amplitude को binary 1 represent करते हैं अपन, and low amplitude represents its binary 0, मतलब कम amplitude को हम binary 0 represents कर रहे हैं in the project. The bandwidth requirement of ASK is very low in the project. The noise susceptibility of ASK is very high because due to the amplitude is easily affected by noise. ASK is a simple implementation process. ASK is a less power efficient system. ASK is used in optical fiber communication, basic digital transmission system. Why ASK is a high bit rate error? Because due to noise sensitivity. Next we will tell about that the operation and working of ASK. The operation of ASK is the carrier wave is multiplied by the binary data. मतलब जो carrier wave है वो binary data के साथ अपना multiply होके अपने को ASK output मिलेगा. कैसे? If the data is 1, the carrier wave is transmitted with full amplitude. If the data is 0, the carrier wave is transmitted with reduced or 0 amplitude. Next, I am telling the working of ASK. ASK modulates a sinusoidal carrier with binary data. When binary 1 is encountered, the carrier signal is transmitted at a certain amplitude. And when a binary 0 is encountered, the amplitude is either significantly reduced or made 0. The receiver detects the amplitude changes to reconstruct the original data. Next part in the project is FSK. FSK stands for frequency shift key. It is a modulation technique where the frequency of the carrier signal is varied according to the data signal. Frequency of the carrier signal is parameter varied in FSK. FSK का signal representation कैसे होता है? The different frequencies represents binary 1 and 0. When higher frequency is represents binary 1 and when lower frequency is represents binary 0. The bandwidth requirement in FSK is moderate. The noise susceptibility is in FSK is a moderate because frequency is less affected by noise. the implementation of FSK is moderate, ज़्यादा हार्ड नहीं होता है वो उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. FSK is a more efficient system than ASK, and it is used in radio transmission line, GSM telemetry system. And why a bit rate error is lower in FSK? The bit rate error is lower in FSK than ASK, but higher than PSK because due to less affection of noise sensitivity. And frequency discriminator or phase lock loop demodulation technique is used in FSK. Next, I will tell the working and operation of FSK. The operation of FSK is the use two distinct carrier frequencies are used in FSK. One frequency represent binary 1 and another frequency represent binary 0. The working of FSK modulation involves switching between two frequencies based on the binary data. The change in frequency helps distinguish between binary values. The receiver demodulates the signal by detecting frequency changes to decode the original data. And the third type is in the project is PSK. PSK stands for phase shift keying. It is a modulation technique where the phase of the carrier signal is varied according to the data signal. Phase of the carrier signal is parameter is varied in PSK. PSK का signal representation कैसे होता है? The different phases, for example 0 degree, 180 degree represents binary 1 and 0. The bandwidth requirement of a PSK is low to moderate. The noise susceptibility is very low in PSK because phase is relatively immune affected to noise. It is more complex implementation. यह PSK ये सबसे ज़्यादा complicated होता है implement करने के लिए. PSK is more efficient than ASK and FSK, and it is used in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, satellite communication system. It is the lowest bit error rate in PSK because it among the three given the same because for noise to signal to noise ratio. And the coherent and differential detection demodulation technique is used in PSK. Next, अभी मैं बताऊंगा आपको उसका ऑपरेशन एंड वर्किंग कैसे होता है PSK का. The operation of a PSK is the carrier wave phase is shifted by predetermined angles. The common scheme include binary phase shift keying BPSK where two phases are used, for example 0 degree and 180 degree, and quadrature phase shifting key QPSK where four phases are used such as 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree. The working of PSK is in PSK the binary data is mapped to phase shifts in the carrier signal. The receiver detects these phase shifts to reconstruct the original data. It's like digital data.
So okay guys, what do you understand after looking at the code? Yeah, you are absolutely right. My dear friends, this is Python language code. You all might be wondering that why I used Python instead of MATLAB. Relax, I have an answer for you. The main reason behind using Python instead of MATLAB is Python is open source language. Open source in the sense it is free to use for all, and MATLAB needs paid license. The second one is community and libraries. Python has a vast and active community with numerous libraries for scientific computing and data analysis such as NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib. And yes friends, as you can see over here in the code, I have used two libraries, NumPy and Matplotlib. So can anyone tell me for what NumPy and Matplotlib is used for? Yeah, you are going slightly correct. NumPy is used for numericals, that is to handle mathematical operations, and Matplotlib, it is used for offering you this graph. Means what? So if I run the code, as you can see the output is plot, the frequency is varying. Okay, so this picture we get this by this matplotlib library. So now you may be wondering that how this output came, why these frequencies are varying. Chill guys, the further part means what is the output, why this output is like this all the things will be explained by Shubham Mundada.
थैंक यू यश, आपने इतने अच्छे तरीके से पाइथन का कोड समझाया है फॉर एएस के, एफएस के एंड पीएस के। यश ने एक कंसेप्ट बताया था कि उसमें बी स्ट्रीम बी स्ट्रीम देना पड़ता है फॉर इनपुट सिग्नल। वो बी स्ट्रीम सिग्नल क्यों दिया और उसका आउटपुट वैसे क्यों आया, उसका एक्सप्लेन मैं बताने वाला हूँ आपको। In ASK, the bit stream representation is like the carrier signal amplitude changes based on the bit stream. For example, a high amplitude may be represent a binary 0 and a low or 0 amplitude represent a binary 0. The signal can look like a square wave with different amplitude levels. वैसे ही FSK में हमने bit stream दिया और वैसे आउटपुट क्यों आया, वो आउटपुट का क्या है, क्यों ऐसा वेवफॉर्म आया है, वो अपन सब डिस्कस करेंगे। द बिट स्ट्रीम रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ FSK इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द कैरियर सिग्नल चेंजेस टू रिप्रेजेंट बाइनरी डेटा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी में बी रिप्रेजेंट अ बाइनरी 1 while a lower frequency represent a binary 0. The signal alternates between these frequencies based on the bit stream. वैसे ही PSK में, in PSK the bit stream representation is the phase of the carrier signal changes to represent the bit stream. For instance, a phase shift of a 0 degree may be represent a binary 1 while a phase shift of 180 degree may be represent a binary 0. The carrier phase is shifted based on the data sequence. और लास्ट वाला पार्ट फॉर सिमुलेशन फॉर ASK, FSK, PSK. In practical simulation, the ASK signal will show high amplitude peaks corresponding to binary 1 values and low or 0 amplitude for binary 0 values. Noise effects can distort the signal, making it more challenging for the receiver to distinguish between 1 and 0. वैसे ही FSK के प्रैक्टिकल सिमुलेशन के वक्त क्या हुआ? इन FSK, the modulated signal will have frequency shifted corresponding to binary 1 and 0. These shifts will appear as changes in the spacing of the signal oscillations. In a noisy environment, demodulation algorithms needs to accurately detect frequency changes. वैसे ही FSK के प्रैक्टिकल आउटपुट में क्या हुआ? In PSK, the simulation is the modulated signal shows the changes in the phase angle corresponding to the binary data. For example, in BPSK, a phase shift of 180 degree represents a change from 1 to 0 or vice versa. In higher order PSK schemes like QPSK, the phase shifts appear as smaller changes but still represent multiply bits per symbol. Thank you.
Thank you, Tushar. As we wrap up now, we explored three key modulation techniques: ASK, PSK, and FSK. Each of these methods play a critical role in modern communication systems. From basic wireless devices to more complex data transmission, amplitude shifting keying is simple and cost effective. Phase shifting key offers high noise resistance and is used in more advanced systems, while frequency shifting key provides reliable communication in noisy environment. Beyond this, there is a lot of future scope for these shifting modulation keys. Some of them I want to share with you. As the demand increasing and more reliable communication system will continue to grow, especially with the expansion of Internet of Things and 5G network techniques. Techniques like PSK and FSK will evolve, offering enhanced data rates, lower power consumption, and great efficiency in error detection. This advancement will be key for the next generation applications, including smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and beyond this. So I hope we will be give you a brief overview about these important key modulation techniques.